Today we're talking about a great little budget tech item for under $20. You're going to be glad you got it. It's a car DVR rear view mirror video recorder that shoots in 1080p. Now this fits right over your existing mirror with those little rubber straps you can see here in the photo, and it has a blue haze across the mirror to protect against a lot of the glare and everything off headlights and such. The reason why I went with this is that way if you're driving through town, there's a car accident, you got to protect yourself nowadays, seriously. Also, if your car's parked, most all of them come with G-Shock sensors, so if there's an impact, it starts recording. You're going to want this. You're going to need it. It's going to come in handy for showing the plate. That way you're protected on your insurance. In a moment I'm going to show you a quick little video clip of me actually using the item in my car, and hopefully this saves you money. If you're new to the channel, welcome. I really appreciate you watching the video. Hopefully it brings you good content that you appreciate, and you subscribe if you're new. Or maybe if you aren't new, or you are, and you like the material that I bring you, helping you save money, 4K ad-free always, never ever going to be any laggy, unskippable commercials on my channel. Then drop a big like on the video. I'd really appreciate that too. Also, it would help other people save money. These are all items that I personally use and test. I won't share anything on this channel that I don't personally use or have used. And if it's crap, I'll tell you it's crap. If it's good, you'll know. Also, make sure to always check the video description below. That's where I'll leave a lot of the important information, like the link to where you can go find this item, or details about how big of a game, how much room it takes. So with that, let's get into the little clip. You can see right here the picture is great. It's got a nice blue haze to it. That way it blocks a lot of the light. Hopefully that clip wasn't too small for you guys. Like I said, for 20 bucks, your family's safety, your safety, it's worth it in my opinion. This does do loop recording, motion detection, where it automatically starts recording and it's saved to the memory card. You're going to need to pick up a micro SD memory card. Make sure it's a class 10. You want to get at least, it'll hold up to a 32 gigabyte, so you can get away with a smaller one. It's up to you. You don't need a 32, but you can go up to a 32 gigabyte. I personally would go with a Samsung class 10 32 gigabyte and call it a day. That's just my personal preference. You can find them Amazon, all over, different sellers. It doesn't matter. The one thing you very much need to know is if you buy this particular setup, you can experience broken straps, which I did 3 days in. See that little black strap that goes over the top and fastens it, holds it over the top of your existing mirror? Those are going to break. When they do, you can pick up a set of 4 right here for $6. I will make sure to leave that link in the video description below. I do not get paid for this. This is an item that I bought out of pocket. You can see it right there. I picked it up on my birthday. You're going to need these. A set of 4 for $6, not bad. All day, every day. You needed to fasten the mirror over the top of yours. Let me know down below in the comments. Light it up. Do you guys use cameras in your cars for protection and safety? Do you not use them? Why or why not? I'd love to know.
Do you need assistance? Oh yeah.
Hi, thanks so much for watching the video. Hopefully it made you laugh or saved you some money. If you're new to the channel, welcome. I really appreciate you being here. Make sure to hit that subscribe button over there. It's free, don't cost you anything, and you don't want to miss what's coming next. Also, if you want to see some more crazy videos of mine, click right up there. I'm sure to make you laugh. Have a great day. We'll see you in the next video.